Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Goats Airdrop. Bigot listing announced. Everything you need to know. Rocket big news. Goats is officially listing on Bigot. The Goats community has been eagerly waiting, and the moment is finally here. Goats, a token that's been making waves in the crypto world, is set to list on Bigot, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges and a top Web3 platform. This announcement marks a pivotal moment in the journey of Goats and sets the stage for even greater achievements. Why this listing is a game changer. Being listed on Bigot isn't just another step, it's a leap forward for Goats. Here's why this matters. Global reach. Bigot is trusted by millions of users around the world, offering Goats access to a vast network of potential investors and traders. Enhanced liquidity. Listing on a high-volume exchange like Bigot ensures smooth trading with minimal slippage. Credibility boost. Being listed on a major exchange strengthens Goats' position in the market, attracting more attention from serious investors. Seamless trading experience. With Bigot's user-friendly platform, both new and experienced traders can easily buy, sell, and hold Goats. This listing is more than just a milestone, it's a doorway to exciting possibilities for Goats holders and the broader crypto community. Pre-deposit period. Earn rewards before trading starts. Bigot is kicking things off with a bang. The pre-deposit event gives Goats supporters a chance to win rewards before trading officially begins. Here's how you can benefit. What's in it for you? Zero gas fees. Deposit without worrying about transaction costs. Bonus rewards. By depositing during the pre-deposit period, you could earn anywhere from $5 to $100 worth of Goats tokens. Massive reward pool. A total of $200,000 worth of Goats is up for grabs, but it's first come, first served, so don't wait. Spiral calendar pre-deposit event dates. Starts November 30th, midnight UTC. Ends December 3rd, midnight UTC. This is your chance to maximize your Goats holdings and be rewarded for being an early supporter. What comes next for Goats? The Bigot listing is just the beginning. The Goats roadmap is packed with ambitious plans to take the token to the next level. Here's a sneak peek at what's in store. More exchange listings. Beyond Bigot, Goats aims to expand its reach by securing listings on other top-tier exchanges. Strategic partnerships. Collaborations with major players in the crypto and Web3 space will help Goats grow even faster. Innovative developments. The Goats team is working on groundbreaking projects to ensure its relevance and utility in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Community-centric growth, regular events, giveaways, and community-driven initiatives to keep users engaged and rewarded. Why you should pay attention to Goats. The crypto market is crowded, but Goats stands out for its strong community, solid roadmap, and strategic decisions like this Bigot listing. Here are a few reasons to believe in the potential of Goats. A vibrant community. Goats isn't just a token, it's a movement powered by passionate supporters. Long-term vision. The team behind Goats has a clear plan to create sustainable growth and value. High market demand. With increased visibility and accessibility, Goats is poised to attract more investors and traders. How to participate in the pre-deposit event. Create a Bigot account. If you don't already have one, sign up on Bigot to get started. Deposit Goats. Transfer Goats tokens to your Bigot account during the pre-deposit period. Claim your rewards. Check the rewards pool and see how much you've earned once the event concludes. A final word, don't miss out. The Goats Bigot listing is more than just an event, it's an opportunity to be part of something bigger. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the crypto world, now is the time to act. Pre-deposit your Goats, grab those rewards, and join the community as we embark on this exciting journey to the moon. Lightbulb remember, Opportunities like this don't come around often. Be proactive, stay informed, and make the most of what Goats has to offer. Together, we're building the future of crypto. Get ready to ride the wave with Goats, your ticket to the next big thing in crypto. Full Moon.